Hey guys, here's how you do number 1. Remember, we want to get the variable by itself. So, on letter A, we have 2/5 t equals 6. 2/5 t means 2/5 times t, so to get rid of times, we are going to divide by 2/5 on both sides. 6 divided by 2/5 is going to be 15. Okay, next one, negative 4.5 equals a minus 8. So the a is on the other side, but that doesn't matter. We still solve it the same way. We need to get rid of the minus 8 because it's on the same side as the a. So we add 8 to both sides. Negative 4.5 plus 8, using my calculator here, negative 4.5 plus 8 is 3.5. Okay, next one, 1/2 plus p equals negative 3. So we want to get p by itself, so we need to get rid of this 1/2. To get rid of a positive 1/2, we're going to subtract 1/2. That goes away. Negative 3 minus 1/2 is negative 3 and 1/2, or negative 3.5. Okay, letter D, 12 equals x times 3. To get rid of times, we're going to divide. So we divide by 3, that goes away. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then negative 12 equals negative 3y. So this is negative 3 times y again. To get rid of times, we divide by negative 3 on both sides. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4 again. All right, there you go.